This machine creates 187,050 sounds per minute and over $11,000 per hour. A $quarter coin is worth 25 cents once it reaches a bank, a store, or someone's pocket, but the material it's made from has almost no value. In this video, we visit the US Mint to discover how 25-cent coins are made. Around the year 500 BC, the Chinese invented coins made from cheap materials like copper. Modern legal tender coins are still made from copper, nickel, and other inexpensive metals. There are three main types of coins: legal tender coins that we use as money, gold coins used as investments, and collector coins, high-quality pieces made of gold and silver that commemorate historical events. A coin becomes money once it leaves the US Mint. The US Mint produces an average of 3 million quarters per day. When coins were first minted in the 1790s, they were made of silver, but in 1965, silver started running low, so the US government switched to copper coated with nickel. The minting process begins with raw material extraction. Mines across the US and the world supply the silver, copper, and other metals needed. The US Mint also uses recycled metal. The life of these coins begins here, this massive scrapyard where piles of recycled copper are prepared for use. They are compressed by a massive hydraulic press. The refined metal is melted and mixed with other metals. The US Mint makes coins from an alloy that is 75% copper and 25% nickel. All coins start as huge rolls of copper-nickel. To make coins, the metal coils are fed into a blanking press that punches out nearly 300,000 blanks per roll. The leftover scraps have no monetary value. The machine separates each blank, which will be recycled and reused to make more coins. The blanks exit the blanking press like a slot machine, and then an elevator transports them in small trays. The blanks are poured into collection bins. At this stage, the blanks are just simple metal discs. They have no design yet and are not worth 25 cents. Their size may resemble a real coin, but these blanks must pass a major test before becoming money. The blanks must survive the action of a powerful machine. This machine raises the rim of the blanks around the entire perimeter by forcing them through a narrow channel. Everything happens so fast, it's impossible to see the blanks pass by. The blanks move through the channel between a rotating steel disc and a rail of the same material. The channel is just slightly narrower than the coin's width, so the edges of the blanks are compressed and raised as they pass through the narrow space. This forms the raised edge you can feel on a coin. This rim is essential, so the coins can be stacked and so the blank maintains its shape during the next step, the coin press. A hammer presses each blank between two dies. One die stamps the coin's obverse side, heads, while the other stamps the reverse, tails. If we talk about easy money, the coin press is so fast that it mints 750 blanks per minute. In other words, it creates 187.50 sounds per minute and over $11,000 per hour. An inspector randomly checks coins as they come out of the press to make sure both sides are aligned. If a coin fails, the entire batch is discarded. Defective coins are destroyed to prevent them from becoming collector's items. But if the sample is perfect, all the coins are poured into an automatic counter that fills giant bags with 200,000 quarters, a total of $50,000. This mint produces so many coins per day that the surplus must wait in containers to avoid clogging the counter. Coins that pass inspection are now ready for distribution. Legal tender coins are packaged into storage bags and shipped to the Federal Reserve Bank for distribution to local banks. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to keep learning. See you soon.